All right, we're going to do a service reset on a 17 E-Class. So you want to make sure you're on odometer and in position 1. So that would be position 2. That's off. This is position 1. Make sure you're in the odometer screen. You're going to hold down home and then the OK button. Home, OK. There you go. Scroll down to assist. Switch on your ignition to position 2. Hit OK again. Go down to full service. Confirm. Your oil grade. There you go. That's also the screen where you can put your vehicle in dyno mode, which basically turns off your traction control. Also, for when you do your rear brakes, this is how you release the pistons in the vehicle in the back. This is what you do before you replace the rear brakes. And you can also go up here to your vehicle data, see your amperage and voltage, your VIN number, various things like that. It might even show your oil level. Some vehicles have oil level depending on your vehicle.